Alright, we have another laptop here. This one is a Lenovo 720. IdeaPad, no, Lenovo Yoga 714 ISK. So that is the most important. Alright, no problem. What's the issue? Power on. Lenovo logo. And shuts down. This one uses that awkward, stupid design USB style power adapter. We'll get that. Alright, we have the charger, but we don't have the round plug, round AC. Okay. Just see if it's a low battery or not. Is that why it's shutting down? Yeah, so there's a tiny hint of life. Okay. It says Windows loading. Okay. So what's the issue? It's actually turned off. Okay, so that's the issue they're having. In that case, let's see if we can go into BIOS at all. Recovery. Hello, SureCan speaking. Okay, so I had to take a phone call there and have a look again. Power light on. Normally we should get the recovery boot menu here, but it turns off. So this has an internal problem, definitely. I'm going to have a very quick inspection and give them a quotation and see what they want to do. Hello, SureCan speaking. Okay, here we go. Let's remove this guy. No hard drive in there. And let's see the behavior. Power is on and still turns off. So I've just reset the BIOS. And turns off. Okay, so something is overheating. It's rebooting by itself. I haven't touched it. So it is shutting down by itself. It's doing these random boots. Okay. Low voltage DDR3L. So no RAM, that's fine. Here we go. 4GB DDR3L, another one. It's one of the shitty ones, this one. Just isolating some components on the board. The keyboard is still connected. We'll leave that connected. And the Wi-Fi chip. See you later, alligator. It's powering on by itself. Okay. So it's not a simple fix, this one. Maybe, maybe not. So interesting, we've got the daughter board, it doesn't want to turn on. Alright, so before going further ahead, we'll give them a quotation, see what they want to do. And we'll just check their data as well, see if the data is healthy. Most likely it will be healthy. Looks like a Samsung. What the fuck? Oh. Really? Is that fucking normal? Like that. That's not normal at all. Sorry, there's a production going in the background. Like, yeah, the video should be smoother now. What the fuck? The screws coming out. Never seen that on an SSD. Why would it have a screws coming out? That's one of the strangest things I've seen. I'll just check their data. If the data is good, yeah, data is good. Alright, so we'll give them a quotation for repair of the motherboard. See if they want to go ahead. If not, we'll do data recovery. So there may be a part 2 if they go ahead with the repair. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this